Is your snoring harmless or a sign of something more serious? While not all snoring is linked to sleep apnea, it's often a key indicator. If snoring is accompanied by pauses in breathing, gasping for air, or daytime fatigue, it's time to get evaluated by a professional. At the Aventura Dentists, we're experienced in diagnosing and treating snoring and sleep apnea. I'm Dr. Rosenstein, and we're here to help you uncover the root cause of your symptoms. Click the link below to learn more about snoring and when to seek help.